What's the meaning of atelier? Atelier. Atelier.
Atelier. Atelier. Atelier is a French word that refers to a workshop or studio, particularly one used by artists, designers, and craftsmen. It is a place where creative work is produced and ideas are brought to life through skillful hands and precision tools. Ateliers are often associated with fine art, haute couture fashion and high-end design. These spaces are typically well equipped with specialized tools and materials, creating an environment that encourages experimentation and innovation. Overall, ateliers are places where creativity and craftsmanship come together to produce original, high-quality work.